right. Good morning. This is Bill from If the Truck Stops Rolling. Okay, we are about to grind up some corn, okay, mixed with some peanuts. And so we're gonna grind several bags of the corn, about 2 bags of corn, and we're gonna fill these buckets up with peanuts and grind those up as well. And of course we have some minerals that we're going to mix in here with them as well. So just take you along with us just to show you how we do it. It's going to get loud and it's going to get dusty, so we won't be doing any talking during this time. We'll just do a couple of rounds of corn and then show you a couple of rounds of peanuts, and just to show you how we do it. All right, let me see whether I can crank this up and we can get started. Sure. We didn't think it was going to get that dusty, but guess it did. And so that's the corn. I'm gonna stop it right here while I get my buckets of peanuts together, and we'll come back in a minute.